The pursuit of wealth and financial abundance is a common aspiration, and the journey to achieving it often leads us to explore various techniques and philosophies. Two influential figures have shared profound insights on unlocking financial prosperity, and their teachings offer valuable guidance for those seeking to make money and create lasting abundance. By understanding and applying their secrets, you can tap into a powerful approach that aligns your inner beliefs with external success. The essence of their teachings revolves around the concept that your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. The idea is not merely to wish for wealth, but to fundamentally change your mental and emotional state to align with the reality of financial abundance. This transformation begins with understanding and harnessing the power of your imagination. To start, envision yourself already in possession of the wealth you desire. This involves more than just a fleeting thought. It requires you to vividly imagine the details of your successful life. Picture yourself living in your ideal environment, enjoying the luxuries you've always wanted, and experiencing the freedom that financial abundance brings. The key is to immerse yourself in these visualizations with intense emotion and conviction. By doing so, you are impressing these images onto your subconscious mind, which then begins to work toward manifesting these desires in your external reality. One powerful practice is to affirm your wealth regularly. Create affirmations that resonate with your personal financial goals and repeat them daily. For instance, if your aim is to achieve a specific income level, affirmations like, "I am effortlessly attracting abundant wealth," or "My financial prosperity is growing each day," can help solidify your belief in this reality. The repetition of these affirmations reinforces the idea that financial abundance is not just a possibility, but an inevitable outcome. Another vital aspect of this approach is to cultivate a deep sense of gratitude for the wealth you currently have and the wealth that is on its way. Gratitude is a potent force that shifts your focus from lack to abundance, aligning your energy with the flow of prosperity. By expressing gratitude for the financial resources you already possess, as well as for the wealth that is yet to come, you reinforce the belief that abundance is your natural state. In addition to mental techniques, practical actions are essential in manifesting financial success. Take concrete steps toward your financial goals, whether it's investing in opportunities, developing new skills, or expanding your network. Aligning your actions with your financial aspirations demonstrates your commitment to achieving these goals and opens the door for opportunities to present themselves. Networking and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can also accelerate your path to financial success. Engage with people who share your financial ambitions or who have already achieved the level of success you desire. Their insights, advice, and experiences can provide valuable guidance and inspiration. Moreover, continuously educate yourself about wealth-building strategies. Read books, attend seminars, and stay informed about financial trends and opportunities. Knowledge equips you with the tools and understanding needed to make informed decisions and capitalize on potential opportunities. One critical aspect that often gets overlooked is the concept of living from the end. This technique involves not only visualizing your goals, but also embodying the mindset and behaviors of someone who has already achieved those goals. The idea is to fully experience the feelings and thoughts of success in the present moment, rather than waiting for the actual manifestation to occur. To implement this practice, start by adopting the mental and emotional state of a wealthy person. This involves adjusting your self-image and adopting habits and attitudes associated with financial success. For example, if you envision yourself as a successful entrepreneur, begin to act like one in your daily life. This might mean setting up a dedicated workspace, developing a business plan, or networking with other professionals. By aligning your actions with your vision, you create a congruence between your inner beliefs and your external reality. Additionally, it's beneficial to create a personal success script that outlines your desired outcomes and the steps you are taking to achieve them. This script should be written in the present tense, as if you are already living your desired reality. For example, if your goal is to increase your income, write down statements like, "I am successfully earning specific amount every month through my thriving business." This script serves as a constant reminder of your goals and helps to reinforce your belief in their inevitability. Another key element is to practice detachment from the outcome. This might seem counterintuitive, but the idea is to release any anxiety or desperation surrounding the achievement of your goals. When you become too attached to the outcome, you can inadvertently create resistance and block the flow of abundance. Instead, focus on the process and trust that your efforts and intentions are leading you toward your desired results. In addition to mental strategies, cultivating positive relationships with money is crucial. Examine your beliefs and attitudes towards wealth and identify any negative or limiting patterns. These could include beliefs such as money is hard to come by or wealth is only for others. Address these limiting beliefs with positive affirmations and by changing your narrative around money. For instance, affirming that money flows easily into my life can help to shift your perspective and open up new avenues for financial abundance. Moreover, regularly evaluate and adjust your financial strategies as needed. This involves setting clear financial goals, monitoring your progress, and making any necessary changes to stay on track. Stay proactive in your approach by reassessing your financial plans and strategies to ensure they remain aligned with your long-term objectives. This adaptability allows you to respond effectively to any changes or opportunities that arise along your path to wealth. It's also important to maintain a sense of joy and excitement about the process of achieving your goals. Enjoying the journey and celebrating your progress, no matter how small, helps to maintain a positive and motivating energy. This enthusiasm and positivity contribute to a more receptive mindset and attract further opportunities for success. By incorporating these additional practices into your approach to wealth creation, you enhance your ability to align with financial abundance and manifest your goals. Living from the end, practicing detachment, cultivating positive money relationships, and staying proactive and joyful are all integral components of a comprehensive strategy for achieving lasting prosperity. Through dedicated effort and a positive mindset, you can unlock new levels of success and create a fulfilling and abundant financial future. Ultimately, the journey to financial prosperity is a dynamic process that combines inner transformation with external actions. By understanding and applying the principles shared by these influential figures, you can unlock the master key to wealth and create a life of abundance that reflects your deepest aspirations. Your dedication to this process will determine the extent of your success and the realization of your financial dreams. As we conclude our exploration of unlocking the master key to wealth through the insights shared by these influential figures, it's clear that transforming your financial reality involves more than just traditional methods. By applying these powerful techniques, you create a robust foundation for achieving your financial goals and experiencing true prosperity. The practices discussed, visualization, affirmations, gratitude, living from the end, detachment from outcomes, and maintaining positive money relationships, provide a comprehensive approach to manifesting wealth. Each of these elements contributes to a holistic strategy that aligns your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your financial aspirations. Implementing these techniques consistently helps to reinforce your belief in the possibility of achieving your desired financial outcomes and creates a clear pathway for success. As you move forward with these practices, it's essential to stay engaged and proactive. Your journey toward financial abundance is ongoing and requires regular effort and adjustment. By continually applying these principles, you enhance your ability to attract wealth and maintain a positive and motivated mindset. To support your ongoing efforts and keep you informed about more valuable insights and strategies, here's how you can stay connected. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Your feedback helps us know which topics resonate with you and ensures that we continue providing content that meets your needs. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest videos and insights. Subscribing ensures you'll be among the first to receive new content designed to help you achieve your financial goals and personal development. If you know someone who might benefit from these strategies, share this video with them. Your recommendation can help others discover and apply these powerful techniques in their own lives. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the techniques discussed. Share your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments section. Your input not only helps us understand your needs, but also fosters a space where others can learn from each other. Click the notification bell to get alerts whenever new content is posted. This way, you'll stay informed and motivated with fresh insights and tips that can further support your path to financial success. By engaging with these various options, you contribute to a dynamic and interactive experience that benefits everyone involved. Your participation not only enhances your own journey, but also helps others who are seeking similar guidance. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of wealth creation. We hope that the insights shared empower you to take effective steps toward achieving your financial goals. Stay dedicated, remain positive, and keep applying these principles to unlock the wealth and abundance you desire. Your commitment to these practices will pave the way for a prosperous and fulfilling financial future.